took a couple days off, so I thought I would jump on here today. I'm just going to the doctor to get my shingles vaccine, which isn't supposed to be the nicest thing, but I ended up getting shingles last year, and let me tell you, it was probably one of the most painful things I have ever experienced in my entire life, and that is including having kids. So when I was younger, I actually had chickenpox, and I got it twice, which you're only supposed to get it once, but I managed to get it twice. And I contracted shingles last April, and I had it across my right side of my back and a little bit around my rib cage and a little bit on my upper arm, from what I remember, at the back of my arm, kind of near my armpit. That's right, it was near my armpit. I remember now. Anyway, it was so excruciatingly painful that I struggled. I was doing strange things. I was in so much pain. I took a kettle. We have an electric kettle. I put it on the stove and turned the stove on. Like, I was doing so many things because I was a bit phased out from the pain I was in. Some people go to the hospital with shingles, I guess. I didn't even know that. It can get super, super serious. So my doctor wasn't really happy that I had shingles, and now I'm getting the shingles vaccine. So you have to wait a whole year and you get to get the shingles vaccine. So I'm going to get that, and I'm hoping I don't get sick from it, because I've also heard that you can get sick from the shingles vaccine. So here's hoping not, but that's what I'm doing. I've done a couple car videos this morning. I had a huge voiceover in the last couple of days too. I've had so much work in the last couple of days. It's just been amazing. And it's all coming through, most all of it, I'd say 98% of my work right now is coming through Fiverr. I do a little bit on Upwork. I have a couple corporate things on Upwork, but I'm getting so much work on Fiverr, and it's so fun. So if you're at all interested in becoming a Fiverr freelancer, reach out to me and I will help you get started, because I just started myself really not that long ago. I started September of last year as a voiceover, switched in February, can't speak today, of 2022 into video spokesperson. And the last 2 months in a row, I've made just under $5,000 each. So it's crazy. It's just going so well, and I can only see more and more and more videos coming. So if that's something you want to do, reach out and let's get you started as well. And other than that, I'll bring you with me. I probably can't bring you in the doctor's office, but after that, I'll be back. Talk to you soon. Here I am in the waiting room. It's waiting for my doctor to come. This is the other side. They're not the prettiest places. And that's where I get to go when I have a physical, this is the inside of a doctor's office, in case anyone ever wondered what they look like. I was gonna try to videotape it while she was putting the shots in, but I thought I might pass out. So it actually hurt going into the muscle. I've heard that can hurt, and I wasn't sure if it would, but it did sting a little bit today going in. But sorry you didn't get to watch the actual needle going in. I would have been on the floor. Okay, I'm going grocery shopping. Okay, all loaded up, ready to go. I just got the groceries, and I just heard this thing on the radio, and it just struck me, and I wanted to just share it with you quick. It's, are you who you could be? Are you where you should be? Get up and move. And I just thought it was so, I don't know, it just struck me, because we all have so much potential to be so much more than what we are. And you just need to get up and take that first step and go for it. So there's your inspiration for today. I'm following my dreams. Are you following yours? Okay, see you in a few. Hey guys, so it's actually a couple days since I got my shingles vaccine, because I actually didn't feel the greatest for a couple days. And then yesterday was Mother's Day, so was very busy with the family. Hope you guys all had an amazing day with your families too. And now it's pouring outside, so let's go. See, it's absolutely pouring with rain, but I have to say it's nice that all our snow is finally gone in May. Looks pretty good. Okay, I'm back. So one of the things I think I'm going to do today is, my hair is looking a little brassy, so I think I'm going to get Robin, since she's not working today, to put a toner on it just to give me a little bit more of that ashy blonde. So I'll show you when we do that. And yeah, other than that, I think I'm just hanging in. I just got an order arrived. I'll show you. Okay, so we're gonna also do a product review of this. It's like a handheld blender that I picked up off Amazon. I thought it'd be good for my daughter to take to work. It's called the Juice Cup. So we'll do that. Okay, so Robin's my model for this morning. She's going to help just curled out of bed, still in her jammies. He's still look cute. So we're putting in, I did wash it, and we're putting in some fruit medley.
There's so many bananas on top, so it's gonna take me a second. I think that's probably good for what I can put in there.
Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit of 1% milk. Obviously, we're not measuring anything. About a cup, maybe. Oh, no.
No,
Maybe
there's a measuring thing on the side.
Oh, there is. Oh.
I'm doing 300 ml.
I didn't even see that. So there you go. There is a measuring thing here. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
That's gonna be handy for you to take in your car, hey?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be
Thanks for
perfect.
helping me, Robin.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, so I thought I would bring you down to my recording studio. I call it a studio because it's actually a space in my home that's been transformed into a recording studio. So that's how I actually started with freelancing. Then I went into the video spokesperson and it kind of took off. But because my videos have taken off, I'm now getting more voiceover work. So they're kind of going really well together. So that's really awesome. But I'll just show you quickly. So I'm in the far corner of my basement. It's actually a storage room and it has cement walls here and here. And actually on here, I'll just show you. But there's actually like shelving that we've stored like the kids' old toys and stuff, but it's freezing in this room. I wear a lot of sweaters when I'm down here because I'm really in the bottom of the house and under the ground level, like because we're in a bungalow, so I'm below ground level, so it gets quite cold. But anyway, just to show you, you can see here I've got some foam. It's 2-inch thick foam that I actually got. I got it on a discount. I was kind of lucky, but I actually got it in an auto supply store of all the weirdest places to get it. Don't know how I got it there, but you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link below. And then I got moving blankets up top, and they help with the sound overhead. And then over here, so you can see I have some shelving. It's just slightly open because I just came through. But if I pull it back, I don't want anything to fall down. But you can see I have stuff behind here. And I put like soft stuff, pillows, stuff like that, sleeping bags. And then it softens the sound. And then on the floor, I just have some old carpet. So it's not super fancy. But let me tell you, I've had my sound checked. You can send it in somewhere. Can't remember where it was. But I have really good sound, and I'm starting to get some bigger voiceover jobs. So one thing I did do is I did upgrade my mic when I very first started, which wasn't that long ago. I just started in, when did I start? October. And my arm's just going to fall off here. I'm just going to switch my arm from holding the camera. Anyway, when I first started, I bought a kit that had a microphone, headset, interface, and it was all like $225. But I did invest after I made some money. I did buy myself a nicer microphone that came in around $700, just because it's better. So I think it's better as my jobs have gotten bigger. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what I do with the other part of my freelancing business. And yeah, if you need voiceover, let me know.